About Vilakazi, it's a player as well that has a very big margin of progression. He's only 19 years old. I would say that sometimes technical players, they tend to rely only on the technicality that they have. And this is a PSL. It's physical. People running over you. There are duels, and it's an area that we wanted him to improve on, because at some point you can't go forward, but you need to keep the ball. You need to use your physicality. But we know that it's a player that can create the difference in the last 30 meters of the opponent box, and he's good at that. But we want as well him to be a player that can hold the ball, can challenge, can defend better, and as well can make do more that what he's doing.